Let me guess. You want to wake up at 5 am. Start your day early. Build discipline. But every morning, the alarm rings and you hit snooze again and again. And suddenly, it's 9 am. You tell yourself, maybe I'm just not a morning person. But what if I told you waking up early has nothing to do with being a morning person and everything to do with a simple system? Hey everyone, welcome back to Improvemental Insider, where we turn your intentions into improvements. Today I am going to share how I went from snoozing my alarm 10 times to waking up at 5 am daily without feeling like a zombie. Even if you are a night owl or a self-declared non-morning person, this video is for you. Don't rely on motivation. First truth, motivation will fail you. That night before energy, when you say, tomorrow I will wake up early, disappears by morning. So instead of motivation, build a trigger system. For example, keep your phone alarm across the room. Put your water bottle, workout clothes, or journal on your chair. These are visual triggers that force action even before your brain finds excuses. Step 2, adjust your nights, not just mornings. Most people focus only on the morning, but the secret lies in your night routine. You don't wake up at 5 am. You prepare to wake up at 5 am the night before. No screens 30 minutes before bed. Use warm lighting, journal or read something calming, and sleep by 10 pm or earlier. You can't sleep at 1 am and expect to wake up fresh at 5 am. It's not discipline, it's biology. Step 3, use the 10 10 10 rule. Here is a powerful trick. I call the 10 10 10 method. When your alarm rings, tell yourself, just sit for 10 seconds, stand for 10 seconds, walk for 10 seconds. Once you do this, your brain fully wakes up. You have beaten inertia. There is a bonus to splash water on your face immediately. It resets your nervous system. Step 4, give your morning a why. You need a reason bigger than just waking up early. Ask, what's the one thing I will do at 5 am that will make my day successful? Whether it's reading, working out, writing your goals, or simply sitting in peace. Attach emotion to it. When your brain knows the purpose, it stops resisting. Step 5, start small. Stay consistent. Don't go from waking up at 9 am to 5 am overnight. Start with 15 minutes shifts from 9 am to 8:45, 8:30 and so on. Track your sleep, reward yourself, and don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Remember, it's not about being a morning person. It's about becoming the kind of person who values your time, energy and goals. Start small, be patient and keep showing up. If you found this helpful, hit that like, subscribe and share this with someone who needs some morning reset. This is Improvemental Insider, helping you level up one habit at a time.